Thank you so much for coming. So, and thank you so much for committing to your life, because here the topic what we are talking about is closing our back doors. So my question to one of you is, what do you mean by back doors? Anybody would like to please unmute and say. And what I will do is, if you want, I will do an English Hindi mix, so that there are people I know in the chat who would prefer Hindi. So yes, wherever I get, I will switch English Hindi. So, but I would really like to know, what do you mean by backdoor? आप आ तो गए हो, मैं कौन सी मूवी दिखा रही हूँ वो बता दो.
मैंने आपकी वो साउंड क्लाउड में जो रिकॉर्डिंग है ना वो सुनी थी, उसके बाद में पता चला कि व्हाट इज बैकडोर एक्चुअली.
नहीं अभी आपको क्या पता, वो साउंड क्लाउड छोड़ो, वो तो पिक्चर का ट्रेलर था.
अभी तो मैं बोलूंगी तो वही लगेगा कि वो सुन के ही बोल रही हूँ.
पिक्चर का ट्रेलर था ना वो, तो मैं पिक्चर बाद में दिखाऊंगी. आपके पिक्चर का क्या है? आपने पोस्टर देखा तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आया? बैकडोर. सबका अपना एक डेफिनेशन है.
मतलब रियलिटी फेस करने की बजाय हम कहीं ना कहीं पे भागते रहते हैं. Something like that.
Okay. Anybody else? What is backdoor for them? What is your definition of backdoor?
It is a doubt whether we will be able to complete the task, and that is why we are always prepared कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो ये करेंगे और ये नहीं हुआ तो ये करेंगे. So we are already doubting ourselves कि नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. We are not confirmed कि ये हो जाएगा. Yeah, I'll be doing it.
Can I say, Suruchi?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so keeping your back doors closed means you never give up, never quit on your life and your commitment to life.
Great. Anybody else? Anybody? There's no right and wrong, and ना यहाँ पे ना कोई teacher है ना कोई student है, so nobody is giving anybody any marks. We'll give our own marks to ourselves, 100 out of 100. So you all passed the exam. So now you can unmute and say what it is.
I like that.
So, for example, as a working single parent at times, and being in the corporate industry, there are many times where I feel, oh, this is not what I really chose. This is not where I really want to be. And is this what is going to be my life? So I think it's always kind of leaving a back door open where not doing my best here because I want my life to be more, but not doing something to have my life to be more. Does that...
I get what you're saying. There's certain part elements is there for backdoor, but there's certain also element that I shut my door, okay, and I'm committed to my life. And today the thing shows up and I'm not very happy. So I can always ask something else to show up because I'm not happy. Unless I don't go to a restaurant, then I will figure it out कि भैया इसमें मुझे spicy चाहिए, salt ज़्यादा है, or not to my taste, please take it. Sorry, wrong order. Can you get something else? That is a choice that once I get to do, I will know. But backdoor is, anybody else would like to say, because once I start, I know I'll not stop. So,
can I add, Suruchi?
Please.
Yeah, so my understanding is that in life, we try to take the longer route rather than, doing the shortcut of taking the back door. Maybe there is a shorter route, but we don't think about it. We keep closing those options for us. That's my take on it.
Great, because we want to prove we are very nice, we are strong, we are educated, we are talented, we have everything. So अगर easy काम कर लिया और वो 10 मिनट में हो गया, then how will you prove that you did something?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but what
for me backdoor is doing something half-heartedly, not fully committing to whatever you're doing, so that जब भागने की जरूरत पड़ी, नहीं काम हुआ नहीं हुआ तो एक दरवाजा खुला है कि भाई बाहर जाना पड़ेगा तो मैं चली जाऊंगी. तो श्योरिटी नहीं है कि कर पाऊंगी या नहीं करूंगी, और पूरी तरह से कमिटमेंट ना करना कि no matter whatever it takes, I'm committing to this relationship or this whatever my life, whatever we are talking about in that situation, and then there is no running away and there's no मतलब अपने आप वो कैसे गीदड़ की तरह भाग नहीं सकते.
so you're right, because when you said, it's so weird, it's The image that is coming, I don't know किसके image से किसके universe से मैं pick करी हूँ. कुंडी की image है, like it's like you know you want to make out with your partner, and you have a पीछे वाला दरवाजा also. You meet the guy, you go out with all the confidence, and the moment he asks you something and you fizzle out and you like not too sure कि करना है नहीं करना है, and you escape पीछे वाले दरवाजे से, and the other person keeps waiting for you thinking that you will come, but you have taken another route. Okay, whose it is, I don't know. So everywhere I'm picking up different visuals or images or words from your heads. So all the definitions you have of backdoor, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
I'm wrong. That one for calling and everywhere figuring out कि कुंडी लगाएं नहीं लगाएं, backdoor खोलें, आगे मैदान में जाएं, या पीछे का दरवाजा रख के रखें कि अगर बाई चांस कुछ ऐसा आ गया जो हम नहीं चाहते या जिसको हम फेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो 9-2-11 पीछे से हो जाए. Everything that is, can we destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
I wrong with that for calling. Anybody would like to add anything on the back door, or I will just start with...
To me, it's coming like a safety net. You know, when you have a safety net to fall back on.
Yes.
So you don't take that leap of faith completely.
Tell me one thing, so beautiful put, safety net. So do we trust the universe?
Yeah, when we have a safety net, we don't, right? Because you don't know that you feel like the universe may not catch me when I fall. That's when you keep the safety net.
Thank you so much. So how many of you be honestly, brutally truth with yourself that you don't trust the universe? And there's no right and wrong. Because when you had asked for something, and it boils down to some situation when you had asked for something where you were trusting and that thing didn't show up. So you kind of discontinued your friendship with the universe. And you're like, boss, I can't trust this. This acts very wonky. Sometimes it gives, sometimes it doesn't give. So I cannot trust universe. So everywhere you concluded and everywhere you discontinued your relationship of trust with universe, can you not revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a Godzillion? Yes. Right and wrong, good and bad, one for all, 9 short, boys and beyond. It's like, how many of you here cook? Almost most of you, maybe ek do ko bearing chhod ke, right? So now, if you are doing an atta or you're making an atta, और अगर पानी ज़्यादा गिर जाएगा या आटा ज़्यादा हो गया, so what will you do? Will you throw this, or you know that you can add and create something very different? You got down to making a pizza base, and the pizza base didn't turn out. Are you going to throw the dough out in the kitchen, or you will recreate it something? Because you're all experts in cooking. Recreate.
We'll recreate.
But where is this recreation coming from? Like, if I am a Nausikhiya who doesn't know how to cook, the first thing I will do is like, dustbin khola, dala, waste ho gaya ji. But people who cook and who knows, what will you do?
We'll create something else.
Something else, right? But where is this trust coming from that you can recreate it?
That's from within.
Within, right? You trust your knowing, you trust your expertise. That you know that out of garbage also, which has turned into a garbage because it didn't turn out what you wanted, but you can recreate something else rather than wasting it. So now what I want you to look is all those areas where you have your backdoor. Do you really trust you or your expertise?
Say that again, Suruchi. Trust you or?
You or your expertise to deal with whatever showed up because of your demand.
Trust me.
If you trust, your back door will be closed. There will not be escape mechanism, which either we create in our mind or we have something. If this doesn't work out, I will do this. But with the pizza dough, you didn't do that. You said, it didn't work out. Okay, what next can I create with the same material? I invested the time. What can I create next? You didn't say, oh, acha, I have a backup plan. If pizza didn't turn up now, maybe we'll order food. I will not cook.
May I say something here?
Yeah.
For every time there is a doubt which comes, and I think
doubt comes sometimes. But if you actually have faith in yourself, along with the universe, you see the signs from the universe. Those signs also have to be something you have faith in acknowledging. And it stops you from going into that space of creating a backup door or resorting to that thought also.
Rightly put, Sunaina, but here the thing is, when we are looking for sign, okay, when we are looking, universe, give me a sign, there was some way we are mistrusting that the universe is not present with me. Yeah, because if universe is with me, I am universe and universe is with me, I will not look for a sign ki bhaiya mere, I am jumping in the ocean and I know I will say I will swim because I trust my expertise of swimming. I trust things will be fine. I will not look ki piche koi hai na. Universe is giving me sign ki koi mujhe bacha lega. Because when we are looking for sign, kisi ka to I think somebody unmute. There's a background noise. I don't know if it's coming. So when we are looking for a sign, somewhere we are looking for a validation for universe to be present. Why? Because if you trust that universe is there, you will not look for a sign. It's like when a child goes deep down and the child knows, I know my mom is there, whether she's inside or she's not inside. If I'm in trouble, if I call out, she will come. And we all do as a mother.
Okay, so that brings it to the fact, back to, yes, your trust issues have to be.
Yes.
Yes.
So it boils down to trusting. And then the thing is, if you can't trust yourself, we cannot trust anyone else, not even the universe. Why? Because we spend 365 days with our own self. And 365 days in all the seconds, I don't want to get, I'll get confused with how many minutes it's or seconds it is. But spending that much time with our own self, and we are not willing to trust our own self, something which comes and goes. Whenever we require, it's there. So trusting somebody outside of you is a difficult thing if you can't trust you. So what stops you from trusting your own self? And everywhere you're not ready to fail, will you give that up?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good and bad, important, poor, and what have you decided failing is? All your definitions, all your judgments, all your conclusions, all your computations coming from across lifetime, space, dimension, reality of what failing is, what failing means to you. Can you destroy and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, important, pork, all nine shots. Because if we wouldn't have given our permission to fail, we wouldn't have been walking right now. Because when we started walking, we tumbled down. We fell so many times. But today we are running, we are skating, we are dancing, we are doing everything possible. So in which area are you not willing to fail is my question. That you have to be brutally honest to yourself, in which area am I not willing to fail? And telltale sign, those are the areas where your back doors are not closed. Back doors cannot be closed in relationship, for money, it can be anything. But first we need to close the back door, that is me, commitment to myself. That I trust me no matter what, even I fail 1,000 times, still I will trust my knowing. Are you willing to have that level of commitment with your own self? Because what we do, if I pass, if 10 people say agree, I am going to trust myself. So what I'm doing, I'm like a balloon. Moment you validate me, my balloon is going yeah, 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 yeah. And moment I see 10 people, soup. But was it really a trust, or was it a momentary trust? Trust is trust. You have it or you don't have it. There's no momentary in between. Because if it's momentary, then who are you being? If you have trust, then if you're not trusting, then who are you being is the next question. So, and where have you made those areas so significant that you will give up trusting your own self for people's validation about you? So everywhere you are giving up trusting your own self and giving more importance to people validation, how people validate your knowing, can you destroy and uncreate all that times a gazillion? राइट एंड रॉन्ग, गुड एंड बैड, पॉट एंड पॉक, ऑल। अंधे लोगों से पूछते हो कि भैया रोज का कलर क्या है बता दो, सो अंधा बोलेगा कि भैया पीला, तुम बोलोगे सीरियसली पीला, पर मैं तो लाल हूं, पक्का मेरे में गड़बड़ है. So how much are you waiting and asking people to tell you who you are, because they can't see what you see. We are all blind. Today if you tell me, Suruchi, you know what, I saw massive being in my house after the beings of light class, and I'll be like, यार मुझे ना 3 साल हो गए talk to the entity करते हुए, लेकिन मुझे तो नहीं दिखा. Then I will say, no, you're fraud, you know, you're making, you're hallucinating. And you, what will you do? Ha, she's been doing for 3 years, she's right and I am wrong. What did you do? You shut your validation, your trust on something that you saw because somebody else could not see. Somebody else could not receive the information that you knew. So it's like I am blind because I can't see. I don't have that power of seeing that you have. That's the reason I could not see it. So I'm a blind person here. But what are you doing? The fragrance of the red rose that you can see, you are destroying it because somebody else whom you have put on the pedestal because of their degree, because of their knowing, because of their expertise, because of whatsoever reason. Because you have put them on pedestal for something or the other, that's the reason you are unwilling to claim, own, acknowledge what you know and trust it. So everywhere you are unwilling to claim, own, acknowledge your knowing because it doesn't match to the knowing of the people whom you have put on pedestal across lifetime, space, dimension, reality, will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine. And everywhere you've given your power to others. Can you now take it back, please? डोर तो बाद में बंद करेंगे, पहले घर तो अपने नाम पे करो. Because keys तो किसी के पास already है, तो तुम क्या करोगे? So are you going to claim, own, trust, and acknowledge who you be? Are you willing to have that as your reality and whoever you have given your power to? कि भैया ले लो. Are you going to take it back from them and be your own landlady, landlord, whatever you are?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short buzzing. And what interest are you getting by mortgaging your own self to others? A love, I love you, 1,000 notes, a hug, a relationship tag. What is that so important for you that you are willing to give up yourself to just maintain that status, whatever that is for you? Are you willing to give that facade that you so desire, which you truly doesn't desire at all? And everywhere you're using those reasons and justification for not claiming, owning, and acknowledging what you know. Can you destroy and uncreate at all times, Agathalya? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short. I'm sorry, guys. Do I really making sense, or I'm just going? I don't know because I have no response.
Lot of sense, Suruchi. Yes.
It's resonating, Suruchi.
Yes.
Suruchi, why can't you keep a facade and still be
Yes,
committed to
Suruchi.
yourself?
So, but facade दूसरों के लिए ना यार, acting करो, actor बनो.
Yes.
But why are you buying your own story? And because we want to be the finest actor, we want to feel it. Tan man dhan se we want to feel it, and in that feeling we lose ourselves. Don't lose.
Got it.
What we are doing, we all wanted to be such fine actors. We don't get lost in the act of it, that we forget what we truly be. If I'm acting pathetic, doesn't mean I'm pathetic. I'm just acting a role for pathetic. There's no harm in acting. But why are you buying that you can't trust your own way? You trust that if I act pathetic here, it will create greater. Great, pathetic. If I act like a baby, it will create greater. Act like a baby. You are neither a baby nor a pathetic. You are an infinite being. So do you guys believe you are an infinite being?
Yes.
I don't think so. We can-
Yes.
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 If you are infinite being, your doors would have been closed. It wouldn't have been open. Sorry. Why? Because infinite being doesn't look for validation. Infinite being doesn't give, there's no threat, there's no danger, there's no insecurity, there's no lack of trust in an infinite being. You may be an infinite being. From time to time, you may believe you're an infinite being, but in certain situation, you act like a finite being.
Pile of
Be
shit.
honest with yourself. Those situations which you have made so significant, you have made it bigger than you. Everywhere you made anything outside of you much more bigger than you, much more valuable than you, that means that you need to play small. For that, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
I don't know, good and bad.
Yes.
And how many of you, truth, if there's no value attached, if there's no money attached, how many of you will trust your knowing and still go ahead and take that risk? Please be honest and raise your hands. The moment money comes, the moment something which is vested, we are then not sure whether we do it or not. So where have you made money so valuable and your knowing so
Pathetic.
not pathetic? It's a word that is mamuli. It's like what's the word?
Pile of shit.
So less in value. It's like mamuli hai na, kya farak padta hai? It's okay. It is so महंगा. It is so expensive. So I need to be. What if your trust is so valuable that nobody can ever put a price on? But where are you being a slave to money that you are ready to let go the trust of your knowing? And everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock. Truth, if you would trust your knowing, whatever your current monetary reality, truth, be honest, will it double, triple, or will it reduce? Be honest to yourself. You may be giving your story so many things. I'm pathetic. I don't know about business. I don't know how to sell myself. I don't know how to promote my class. I don't know how to talk to a client. Oh, I don't know how to deal with my husband. He's controlled. These are all stories that you keep telling yourself. Truth, if you trust your knowing, will you create more than what you're creating now? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So what's the value of not trusting your knowing? If you trust your knowing and saying, okay, in front of my husband, I need to act pathetic. Act pathetic, don't buy. But why is the ego coming then? Because you think when you're acting pathetic, you are that thing. You're just a character. You're nothing, just a character in that moment. How many of you love movie? I love it.
Yeah, I
When-
love it.
when we see the character, we like, wow, she played such a beautiful role. I forgot she was this. Alia, she was this character. So what if you're just the character but not who you truly be? You are your name, you are your personality, but in that time, if you have to become a character, where have you decided it's demeaning? Because you've decided certain character is demeaning, which doesn't allow you to play that character, which will create greater. And that's the time you are not trusting what you know. And everything that brings up lets you down, or you think that I am cuckoo, let's destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, talk all nine shopping. So what's the value of, okay, Kavita, we'll speak in Hindi also. Sorry, I got carried away.
I also had a question, sorry.
Yeah, please,
Suruchi.
Please shoot.
So, initially the energy that you picked up of, wanting to have a companion or wanting to make out and keeping the back door open, you picked up my energy. So I've been, actually, it's like my body is asking for sex, for a companion. The fear of judgment and letting my people down and all of that, it kind of stops me from indulging in any of it.
Sangeeta, what will happen? Where have you decided you'll become a slut if you ask that your body just requires sex and doesn't require any other relationship? A sex partner, for to say. What's so wrong about it? What is your judgment of a woman who looks for mate only to sex, for sex?
I've been called a slut a lot of times by my people. So
you know what? There was a lot of resistance, and I never knew why the slut comes. You know who is a slut? Slut is somebody who's willing to receive all the energies. And what if being slut is not wrong? Who decides right and wrong? Today, if my need is I want more sex, it's my need. How can you decide just because your need is like once in a month and my need is once in a week? So who is wrong and who is right? So everywhere you're making yourself wrong or right for what you or your body desire based on other people's point of view. Can you let go of the wrongness and the rightness of your point of view for now and all eternity? Right and wrong.
Yes.
What? See, closing the back door doesn't mean that I invite judgment or invite people to be rude on me. If my body desire and this is a back door I need to close so that I can be open to receiving sex from people, I need to make a demand. Send me the people who will be nurturing to my body, who will appreciate what I have to offer, where I will make money, which my body will thrive.
Oh, this is so light for me.
So ask for that. So when you receive that, you will be amazed that your body will not allow you to check out or run. Body will say, let's go, let's go. And when you have that thought, put your barriers down. Okay, put your barriers down, take a deep breath and ask, okay, if I truly be an infinite being, what will I choose here? Not for her, for any one of us in any situation, जहाँ हम अटक जाते हैं, right? जहाँ हमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि अब क्या करें, because इतना overwhelming है, करें नहीं करें, करें नहीं करें. जब आप ये सोच रहे हो, then what are you doing? आप अपने head पे हो, और आप अपने जब head में हो, तो आपके barriers up हैं.
I lost you in between. I just missed out on everything that you said.
It'll be on recording also. I'm recording, but I will. So it's like, it's when you go into your head anytime when you're doing it, is because आपके barriers up हैं. So push all those barriers down and just ask yourself, take deep breath and ask yourself, if I'm being an infinite being here, because when I'm being an infinite being, I'm not being a character that I was playing 5 minutes back or I'm going to play after 5 minutes. What will I choose here which will create greater for me? Because sometimes क्या होता है, lot of time when we close the back door and I want to do a business, even if the business is telling me shut down, I don't shut it down to prove people that I can do it. That is from a proving, that is not from a commitment. And backdoor खुलने का sign ये है, अगर if you're committed to something, that is कि कुछ भी हो जाए, whatever happen, I am going to do it and I'm going to have it. That is a commitment. Interested is like, you know what, I went to the class. I really went to the class. Yoga class, like I'm right now in a phase where my body wants to exercise. And I'm like, I'm committing to your body. I'm seriously committing to you. Okay. So what happens? Morning mein uthti hu. Okay. 2 days I exercise. Yes, body, I'm committed. The third day, I'm like, you know what? It's very hot. You know what? I'm too tired. I think I will just cuddle in the AC with kids. I have not spent time. So I come with all the reasons and justification for not doing what I say in my mind that I'm committed. If I would have committed, if I can't go in the evening, I would have gone in the night. If I can't go in the night, I would have gone in the morning. I would have done that task no matter what, because that's my commitment is. But most of the time we are interested, but we say people that we are committed. So you have to ask, truth, am I committed or am I interested? Because when you're interested, you will only be creating reasons and justification for why you couldn't fall through. Why didn't you go through the whole plan? And there'll be some things in our life which may not be comfortable. But if that is required, agar wo required hai aapke commitment ke liye, you need to do. For example, if you go to the gym and you need a toned body, and those 1 hour of strenuous exercise, it is required. It is required. You will have to do it. Because there are certain things in life which may not like, but it adds to where I'm committing to. So we have to do that. Then you can't escape because I don't like it, I'm not going to do it. Then it is not committed, it is interested. As long as it suits me, I'm going to do it. If it doesn't suit me, I'm not doing it. A commitment is a commitment that, okay, fine, I don't like it. I'll ask questions around it to make it easy, to make it fun, but I'll still do it. Does that make sense? Kavita, अगर नहीं समझ में आया, ask question. आप question पूछोगे, then I will reply in Hindi because I'm so sorry. It's just going. I'm just following the energy and speaking the language. Okay. And Sangeeta, going back to you, truth. Are you committed to give what your body desire or demands? So what if you can commit on day-to-day basis and ask your body to show up the partner who will value you in bed, who from whom you can learn some tricks, who will make your body happy because you're doing it for your body, who will nurture your body, who will be grateful for you.
Yeah.
And then ask, body, this body or that body? And body will guide you. If you follow, if you trust your body, body will take you to the right person where you don't have to feel ashamed. Because the hesitation is there's an unsaid word. We feel like a whore. Whore is a word that's coming. What? I can be a whore for my body if that's what my body demands. Tell me one thing. If we have a child who's not well and somebody says ki mandir, mandir, mandir jao and keep rolling, and 10 days mein he will be okay, and thousands of people are there, truth, will you roll or not?
Yes.
I bet each one of us will roll, because that's a commitment we have towards our child. So why is it wrong to commit to your body and body's need then? That's also a shame, because people who will be like, oh, I don't know, from such a good family, she's coming and she's rolling like this. Why? Because it's done for somebody else. I have a reason and justification for my behavior. When it is for me, I don't have reason and justification. Why are we not so important in our own lives that we need reason and justification to do something? Why we will do? Because we just desire to do it. So everywhere you are waiting for reason and justification to show up in your life so that it can be committed, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all natural. Because to have that reason and justification, what you're doing, you have to put yourself down. You have to become pathetic. You have to suffer somewhere. And then you learn, you know what, I have a reason and justification to make money. I have a reason and justification to go out and work. And that's the reason I'm committed. And everywhere you're looking sympathy for others by playing pathetic, and you let go of that. It's a choice. If you're rich, famous, and you have everything, and you're pathetic, truth, number of people attracted on which side will be more, rich and famous or sympathetic? But we have decided sympathetic. Can we let go of that reasons and justification, that we need reason and justification to step up in our life, to commit to our life? And everywhere you're using all the excuses for not showing up in your life based on your job description, based on you as a wife, based on you as a mother, based on you as a daughter, sister, anything and everything. Can you let go of all of that, please?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, call and chop, because those are just reason and justification that we keep telling ourselves that that's the reason, you know what, I'm not doing it. Truth, if you really desire to do that, does any of these reason and justification can ever come in your way? So stop fooling yourself. We are fooling ourselves with our own reason and justification and nothing else. I will tell you, tap into one area of your life jahan pe you did exactly what you wanted to do, and none of the thought of anybody else occurred in that moment, and you went and you did it because you so desire to do it. We
Yes.
all have done it.
Yes.
So we are fooling ourselves by saying ki reasons and justification hai, because that time also we were somebody's daughter, if not wife. We were related to something and somewhere. So why are we now using and reasons and justification for not committing to our life? And our life is our business. Our life is everything. Are you willing to commit to your life? Committing to our life means ease, joy, and glory in every area of our life. Ease in everything. I will thrive. I will not live, but I will thrive is the commitment to self. Are you willing to have that level of commitment?
Yes. Yes.
Everything which doesn't allow you to commit to your life, will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create at all times?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
If you commit to your life, what will happen?
So Ruchi, can I ask you a question here?
Yeah, please.
Okay, just now when you were saying that we have taken certain decisions in our life, all of us rather, and sometimes we take a stand and we enjoy it, but when there are people who learn about it from the family or anybody else, and you're constantly bickered, abused, everything possible, what do you do? I mean, I have gone and done something which I like, and what I get in return is suffering.
No, wait, Rashi, wait here. Because when you're saying this, are you trying to act a rebel? See, there are two ways. We define ourselves as two things. Either we be a rebel, okay, or otherwise we will do everything what people ask me to do. What if you don't have to take any of the polarity as a stand, neither the positive nor the negative, because both have a charge. And if I am in a relationship and I'm committing to my life, but I also have a commitment of a relationship, it's not a standalone. So it doesn't mean I'm committed to a relationship and I'll say, oh, I like this guy and I'm going to fuck him. Then I should be open to me, right? But that is not commitment. Then I'll ask,
Just
if I
going
do this,
to live and enjoy it.
okay, if I do this, will it create greater? Will it create greater is the thing. If it's not, then fine. If that after 5 minutes I'm going to regret it, or if it is the honoring of me and my body at that time, then I don't come home and tell that what I did. I don't give my dirty laundry and say, you know what, why? Because why we do this? Because we want to feel clean, not so heavy in my heart. So I'm like, you know what, I offload. But it is really honoring of the other person in that picture. So here, when you're saying that, then I'll ask you a question. Did you do as a rebel or did you do because it was a contribution?
Contribution.
Fine. So if it was a contribution, then what did you expect them to understand?
Yeah, that is what I want to understand actually.
Because the thing is, it's contribution to me, but that's what I said. We expect people to understand us. Nobody can understand. It's our expectations. So all the projections, expectations, separations, rejection, judgments you have of anyone or of anything which doesn't allow you to trust what you know, can you destroy and uncreate at all times, Agudzalia?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, important, poor, online children, because you are playing an expectation game. Yeah, I really don't know what's going into your body. What is your hormone talking about, right? And you expect me, because I didn't go this changes, I can't understand you. So you have to do is poke and pour all my projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgments I have of my family. Because you are like, oh, if my family can't understand, if my family can't support, how will I go out in the world? How can I close my back door? But you need to give up. It's your dream. It's your desire. Only you know. And you only know what steps you need to take to go and reach there. Nobody else. You can ask playmates. You can ask people to support you to come in your way. But they will also get 20% of what you know, not the 100%. It's your vision. It's your creation. So where are you unwilling to commit to your life, all of you, because you're waiting somebody else to share that vision, to share that life, and you can only have when you have somebody to share this with you. Can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork.
Yes.
We came alone. We have a different journey. I may be going the same direction where you go, but I may have 10 stop in between. So if you have to wait for me, then you will spend so many hours, so many days, because I need to take those 10 stops, because that is important to me and that is not important to you. So whom are you waiting for to commit to your life? Is your wait over now? Are you willing to shut your back doors now? Or you want to keep waiting? It's a choice. Choose, people, what you would like to choose. Would you like a life of ease, joy and glory even other people are suffering? Or you will be like, no, I will wait for them, so I will suffer and I can see the ease, joy and glory, but I'll still suffer and keep my back doors open. It's just a choice. Because everybody say, I desire what you desire, but in truth, do they really desire? No, because their actions are talk something different than what they say. So are you willing to be in sync with your desire and make a commitment no matter what, even people get me or people don't get me? If somebody gets me, somebody doesn't get me, I am still going to choose me. and have that ease, joy, and glory in every area of my life? Are you willing to have that as your reality? Are you willing to make that your demand now? And ask the universe, ask the consciousness to contribute, and ask all those people, known, unknown, who can contribute to show up in your life with ease. Are you willing to have that as your reality is my question.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Right now,
Yes.
one pop all 9 short buzz in there. So anybody, any question that is popping up that they would like to share, discuss, any area that they find difficult to commit?
But don't they say that like if you have this kind of commitment, then the person, whoever is around you, also will automatically come to you?
Not necessarily, because the thing is, if you and me are partner, and if you choose,
Isn't that a backdoor right there?
Yeah.
That somewhere in your back of your head you're thinking, oh, if I do this, they'll come on their own. That's a backdoor right there,
That's
isn't it?
backdoor. That's when they don't come, then you're like, oh, something.
Yes.
I need to go and find them. That's a backdoor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Backdoor closing is like, I am going for a jog. You want to come? Come. You don't want to come? Don't come. I will go with the speed I like to go, and I go on running. And whoever meet in the main, I talk, I smile, I play, I keep on running. I don't look back for who's coming and who's not coming. And I don't stop down for waiting them to come. Because that is not a commitment to my goal. When whatever that is. Because the thing is, if you are committed, the other person can also have a free will, their choice to commit or not commit to your party. You're having fun, but I don't like fun. I will not come to your party. How many people don't like to be happy? They say they want to be happy, but they don't choose happiness. And there's nothing wrong and right about it, just a choice. So what is it? What all the phobias you have with commitment? And anyway, you decided commitment kar diya, to mar jana padega, and to fulfill that, can you destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Yes.
See, commitment, I committed to come to you, but what route I will take is my choice. If I go on a bike and the bike is not convenient, I may hitch. If hitch is not convenient, I may hire a car. That's a process I can keep changing and choosing to reach a destination where I committed to reach. Right? It doesn't mean that I have to torture myself on the bike because I've committed to reach. I can stop and ask, make a different choice and reach there. So where have you decided that commitment means that you don't have a choice? Everywhere you've decided commitment means no choice. Can you destroy and uncreate that?
Yes.
Yes.
That one for all 9 short. You're committing to your life. You're not committing to a person. You're committing to your life. You're committing to ease, joy, and glory. And everything which doesn't give you ease, joy, and glory, you can sit down and see. It's like a business. Okay, I committed to this business. I've given everything I can. And today I have to ask question, is it working for me? No. Okay. Can I change something? No. Okay. Would you like to go to someone else? Yes. Sell that business. Why? Because my commitment is I'm not going to suffer. I am choosing ease, joy, and glory with my body, with my relationship, with my money flow, with my business, with everything. And I'm committed to that. And if it doesn't match that, I need to ask question and be completely honest with myself. Did I give my 100%? Yes or no? Or no? Then why did I give? What stops me from giving my 100% to the things I say I desire? Do I really desire or just want to tick a box that I also did that, what you did? How many things you are doing because others are doing? Everything which doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, receive, and have clarity over what you truly desire in life. Can you destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pokal, lunch, is as simple as this. The moment you get clarity of what you desire, you will be amazed. Commitment will be so easy. So what stops you from committing to your life? Age, money, situation, person, oaths, vows. So all the oaths, vows, fearing, felting, binding, bonding, contract you had from anyone from any lifetime, space, dimension, reality which doesn't allow you to commit to your life and living, will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion for now and all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, for all 9 shots, boys and beyond. So, truth, people, what will happen if each one of us commit to our life today and close all the back doors known, unknown to us? Are you willing to close all those back doors known, unknown to us? If it's a yes, put your back
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Do you give me the permission to contribute to you, to contribute to the energies which will help you to shut those doors?
Yes.
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 Okay, truth. Who is the stopper in your life that doesn't allow you to close those doors completely?
I mean myself.
Can you fire yourself from the job now?
Yes.
Yes.
But
Yes.
it's like door is closing, closing, closing. Either somebody puts a pencil or something that thoda sa khula reh jaye, but it's like kind of completely closed. So everywhere, whoever is in that stage, are you willing to take this out thing that you're using to stop it to completely close and just close it? Are you willing to trust yourself?
Yes.
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 And how many of
Yes.
you are fearing rejection? If you close your door, you fear rejection. If you show up in the world, people will reject you for who you be. So that's the reason you want to keep those doors open so that you can run away from that rejection.
Me.
Anybody else?
Yes.
Yeah, me.
Me too.
Yes.
Me too.
Okay, let's run a judgment
Me
process
too.
on rejection and let's close this chapter for now and all eternity. What is my judgment of rejection? Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
All 9 shots. What is your judgment of you with regards to rejection? Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and
Yes.
bad, bottom, pop, all 9 short version. What is your judgment of sex with rejection? Everything that is, will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion? Right and wrong,
Yes.
good and bad, bottom, pop, all 9 short version. What is your judgment of you with regards to sex with rejection? Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad,
Yes.
pop, all 9 short version. What is your judgment of rejection? Everything that is, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good and bad, bottom, pop, all. What is your judgment of you with regards to rejection? Everything that is, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, bottom, pop, all 9 short version. What is your judgment of sex with rejection? Everything that is, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and men. What is your judgment of you with regards to sex with rejection? Everything that is, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. What is your judgment of rejection? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. What is the judgment of you with regards to rejection? Everything that is, will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
That is good and bad, bottom, pop, all 9 short person. What is your judgment of sex rejection? I think that is right and wrong, good and bad, bottom, pop, all 9 shots person. What is your judgment of you with regards to sex with rejection? Everything that is right and wrong, good and bad, bottom, pop, all 9 shots person. We are truth. Whose lies, what lies, and how many lies you have bought, which doesn't allow you to receive your own self with ease. Everything that is, will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate?
Yes.
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 Bad bottom for all 9 short person. Yeah. At what age did you reject you because people didn't receive you? The true potency, the power that you truly be, and people could not receive you. At what age did you reject your own self? Can you go back to that age, destroy and uncreate all your conclusions, computations, judgments, expectations, projections, and everything holding that in place, destroy and uncreate all that times a gazillion?
Yes.
Yes.
And now will you claim, own, acknowledge and receive you at that age?
Yes.
And do that. God knows 1 lakh multiply fold.
Yes.
And where you contract when people don't receive, can you just turn it up even more? Are you willing to be the son you truly be for all eternity?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Sun has no problem whether people can receive. Some people like summer, some people don't like summer. They have all the opinion, but the sun doesn't hide. Sun doesn't say, okay, Mama, I'm crying now. I'm not going to show up as me. So everywhere you are unwilling to show up as you because you have concluded, judged that people cannot receive who you truly be because you were made wrong for being too much. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times of gazillion?
Yes.
Right, wrong, goodbye. Truth. Are you willing to be too much that people can't take you off their mind?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
It's not
Yes.
Absolutely yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh
Yes.
wow.
Too much. Too much.
Yes. 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 Too much.
Too much. Too much.
Too much.
Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Chalo, chalo, chalo.
How we all came to light with the too much, because that's our reality. That is who you are. Why will you not be that? And if you are missing out people, ask for those people who can appreciate who you truly are to come into your life with ease. It is as simple. Ask and you shall receive. Have you made this new art? No. What you're doing is you're trying to fit into something which is not yours. Why will you ever fit in? All the boxes, small, big, whatever size boxes that you're made to fit in, can you destroy and uncreate all those boxes now?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Universe. Do you really need a box?
No.
So when you are universe, why will you want to be a house size product?
Yeah. Too much.
What's wrong in being too much? Who likes Ranveer Singh here? Anyone likes? But he's too much. He's so glittery. So what happens? He becomes the talk of the town. Some people like, some people doesn't like. But what did he do? He got what he wanted.
Yes.
So why will we not be too much? And let them, people decide whatever it's not our problem, it's their headache. And then they're judging you because you are important in their life. How many people do you notice who means nothing? Do you even talk? You don't even waste a breath. एक मिनट भी उनके बारे में नहीं बात करते, सोचते भी नहीं है उनके बारे में. So why you want to become that कि जिस कभी नोटिस में भी नहीं आओ? भैया too much है, सेलिब्रिटी है, बात करो, करते रहो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अपनी लाइफ की तो सेलिब्रिटी है, अपने घर की तो सेलिब्रिटी है, अपने घर की क्वीन हो. Why will you not be the queen? Who decides? Are you going to crown yourself? Just crown yourself. Yes, I'm the queen. And I'm coming to my life and I'm going to have so much fun. If people have a problem, let them have it. It's their problem, not mine. Never mind. More fun, more ease, more joy, more joy. Are you willing to be that too much?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now we are talking. Let's do that too much, guys. Let's rock the world.
Yes.
Like people will be like, तुम कहाँ क्या खाते हो हमको भी बता दो, हमें भी खाना है.
हम एक्सेस खाते हैं.
एक्सेस नहीं खाते हो, हम अपने आप को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं. Are you willing to give that? Don't give your credit to anybody, not any modality. Give your credit to your own self.
Okay.
Because यहाँ पे भी हमने किसी और को क्रेडिट दे दिया. क्यों? अपने को क्रेडिट देने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हाँ मैं हूँ इसीलिए. बिकॉज ऐसे ही हूँ यार. टाइम स्पेंड करो, पता लग जाएगा. It is as simple as this. Why will you not give yourself importance? Why will you not give yourself credit for who you be? तुम्हारे जैसा कोई और है तो मुझे बता दो.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
तो फिर क्यों नहीं वैल्यू करोगे अपने आप को? फिर क्यों रिजेक्ट करोगे? और कैसा, और तुम्हारे जैसा कोई बन भी नहीं सकता क्योंकि तुम एक ही पीस हो. So aren't you in demand because you're one in a million or a trillion, whatever the number is. So why will you not make yourself demand? Why will you not make yourself so valuable that you commit to your life? When something is so valuable, we'll take care of it. Be committed to taking care of that thing. How many of you are committed to taking care of your jewelry where you have spent millions of rupees or lakhs of rupees? एक कम ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसने बहुत जगह, because it's valuable, and for some it will be jewelry, for some it will be something else that is valuable, right? So why will you not make yourself so valuable that you're committed to taking care of you, your likes and dislikes, having ease, joy in life in your life? Where will you not, why are you not seeing yourself valuable?
Yes.
Any question? Sorry, I am like going all over the place.
Damn, Suruchi, there's a shift happening. I can tell you right now. It's shifting, babe. I mean,
shifted, babe.
Yeah, it is. There's a shift.
Love it, love it, love it.
Love it, love it, love it. Really.
मेरा life में बहुत simple वाली चीज है. My demand is things has to shift instantaneously. Otherwise, I'm bored. So I want to make that demand, boss. Things has to show instantaneously. I will do everything that requires, but it needs to shift instantaneously.
Absolutely.
Yes.
There you go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Yes. 3, 3, 3. I'm sorry, कल गाली मत देना अगर यूनिवर्स सेम नहीं रहा तो. मेरे को लगा मेरा भाग जाएगा तो डिस्क्लेमर एंड में दे दूंगी.
सुरुचि, एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है मुझे.
पूछिए.
कभी ऐसा होता है कि काफी कुछ करने की इच्छा होती है, जैसे नॉर्मल चीज होती है कि एक्सरसाइज करना या कुछ रेगुलर करना. ऐसा भी होता है कि नहीं ये अरे यार ये तो करना चाहिए लेकिन हो नहीं पाता है. फिर रात को सोती हूँ ना तो ऐसी सोच आती है करना है मुझे, लेकिन सुबह उठ के थोड़ा आलस आता है या कुछ ऐसा होता है, तो उसके लिए क्या करें?
एक सेकेंड, आपका नाम नहीं दिख रहा है और एसएस आ रहा है इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं.
शीतल.
हाँ शीतल. एक सिंपल सा चीज है, जब वो ख्वाहिश आती है ना, एक एक्सेस का ब्यूटीफुल टूल है, हु डज दिस बिलोंग टू, कि मेरी है या किसी और की है. बहुत बार क्या होता है हम दूसरों के हेड से पिक कर लेते हैं और फिर जब हम नहीं करते, उसके लिए हम एक्शन नहीं करते, तो हम बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम अपने आप को गिल्टी मारने में बहुत मजा आता है, थप्पड़ मारने में, कट 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 शिट यार फिर आज नहीं किया, फिर आज नहीं किया. पूछना है कि बॉडी, क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज तो बॉडी के लिए करते हैं ना, बॉडी तुमको ये करना था, अगर तुमको ये करना है और मेरी स्टुपिडिटी बीच में आ रही है तो मैं तुमको परमिशन देती हूँ, मेरी स्टुपिडिटी को ओवरराइड करो और मुझे ले जाओ, हम करेंगे आज. मैं तुमको प्रॉमिस करती हूँ, तुम जब बोलोगे मैं करूंगी, और मैं स्टुपिड हो रही हूँ तो ओवरराइड करो. पर पहली बात, ये मेरा डिजायर है, ये सब मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि ना तुम एक्सरसाइज करोगी तो तुम पतली हो जाओगी, पर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. जब मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो मुझे लग रहा है बोलने देना, बोलता जा रहा है तो फिर मैं बोल सकती हूँ ना मैं भूल गई. तो इसलिए कर रहे हो क्योंकि कोई बोल रहा है या खुद को करना है. जब खुद को करना है तो हम कमिटेड होते हैं. कोई और बोल रहा होता है ना तो 3 दिन करते हैं, फिर बोलते हैं पता है क्या मैंने ट्राई किया पर मेरे से नहीं होता है. वो इंटरेस्टेड होता है, वो कमिटमेंट नहीं होती. तो पहले आपको अपने आप से ऑनेस्टली बात करना पड़ेगा, अपनी बॉडी से बात करना पड़ेगा. एक्सरसाइज है, डाइट है, कुछ है कि बॉडी तुम क्या चाहते हो, तुम जो बोलोगे मैं करूंगी, एंड आई प्रॉमिस. और मैं तुमको परमिशन देती हूँ कि मेरी स्टुपिडिटी को ओवरराइड करो यहाँ पे. एंड इतना मजा करो कि मैं ना तुमको ये नहीं करूं तो मिस करूं. एक होता है ना गोलगप्पा खाया और नहीं खाया तो पानी आने लग गया सोच के ही. फिर अपने लगते हैं अच्छा घर जाके ना आज थोड़ा पानी पूरी बना लेते, आज थोड़ा गोलगप्पा बना लेते. मैंने देखा था रास्ते में, बहुत काम है लेकिन हम बनाएंगे. तो वही वाली चीज है कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो, क्योंकि किसी ने आपको बोला है, किसी ने आपका मजाक उड़ाया है, या आप सीरियसली करना चाहते हो.
मेरे को तो सीरियसली करना होता है लेकिन आलस आ जाती है, पता नहीं क्या होता है. तो
किसका है ये आलस को बोलना पड़ता है कि आलस किसका हो भाई, मेरा है किसी और का है. क्योंकि मेरे को करने का थोड़ा कम मन था, आलस को मैंने अपना भाई बहन बना लिया और मैं सोची मेरा है. तो हु डज दिस बिलोंग टू करो.
ओके.
फिर बोलो अगर आलस नहीं है, अगर मैं थकी भी नहीं हूँ तो मैं यहाँ क्या चूज करूंगी. हु डज दिस बिलोंग, इफ आई डोंट नो दिस व्हाट विल आई चूज हियर. और बॉडी को बोलो बॉडी मजा आ रहा है, थोड़ा मजे का टोन और बड़ा कर देते हैं और मजा करते हैं. म्यूजिक लगा लें, अच्छा और बॉडी बोलो गर्मी लग रही है एसी चला ले. मेक योरसेल्फ कंफर्टेबल एंड डू, डोंट टॉर्चर योरसेल्फ. और डूइंग का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि मैं ना 1 महीने बाद आज करूंगी तो पूरा 2 घंटा कर लेती हूँ, फिर 1 महीने सोच जाऊंगी. ऐसा नहीं है. 10 मिनट भी करोगे तो वो ऑनर करोगे किसी, आपने अपनी बॉडी को जो कमिटमेंट किया उसको 10 मिनट भी करके आप उसको ऑनर करोगे.
थैंक यू.
एक्सक्यूज, रीजंस एंड जस्टिफिकेशन यू आर यूजिंग अपने आप को थप्पड़ मारने के लिए कि मैं कितनी गंदी हूँ, मैं बॉडी का नहीं सुनती, मैं कितनी गंदी हूँ, मैं गोल्स बनाती हूँ लेकिन फिर भी नहीं करती. क्यों? बिकॉज हमको इतना अच्छा लगता है ना अपने आप को जज करना. So are you going to give your pastime, that is judging your own self, all of you, are you going to give that up?
Yes. Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and fork, all nine short. And what other pastime can you have now? Because if you give one pastime, you will have a void. So what is the other pastime that you can do?
Worshipping yourself.
No, worshipping is also then a point of view that you have to prove yourself that you are on a pedestal. What if you start giving the time by being a child and say, if I'm being a 2-year-old, how would I like to be in life? What would I like to receive? Because the 2-year-old child only desires fun, joy, laughter. So are you willing to be that?
Yes.
Yes.
It doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, receive, and have that as your reality. Will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times of failure?
Yes.
Yes.
किसी का हाथ उठा हुआ था. I don't know if anybody has a question. Please. Anybody, any question? Please go ahead. There was a hand raised and now I can't see.
Ruchi,
Yeah.
it's not really a question, but it's just when you talk about closing the back doors, for me, there was an energy of resistance when you said closing what we like, known and unknown.
Yeah.
Like, that keeps us not closing the back doors. When you talked about the unknown, there's this big resistance.
Okay. So what if unknown is something that is unknown to others but is known to you?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that doesn't have resistance.
Yeah, that doesn't have resistance. We are committing to that because unknown is because it will always be unknown to somebody else because it is just known to you.
Okay. Okay.
And now it is so easy to close the back door then.
Yes.
And how many lifetimes you know everything that you're desiring to do right now? All of you.
Yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
now with ease? Can you all close the back door, please?
Yes.
Right? Yes. Good and bad, important for call nine. See, it's just a definition. The moment the word unknown came, we defined, we went to see the reference point of it.
Yeah.
But what you have to create beyond is no reference point because you only know what it is. So that is unknown to me. I don't have a reference point. Are you willing to tap into that capacity of yours, that beingness, being that you truly be? Because you know, we don't know because there's no reference point. Are you going to create from that?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
And everything will just allow you to commit to that creation of it. Can you destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Because if I have to choose something from reference point, then I have to see people. एक सेकेंड किसी को तो मैं म्यूट कर देती हूँ. हाँ. Then we have to choose something from reference point, and reference point means that I have to understand how did that person do.
Yeah.
But if I'm not being me, then I'm being someone else. Then I'm a copy, but you are not a copy. So why will you create a life like a copy?
Yeah.
So
Okay, got it.
You are looking at reference point, you're trying to understand, and that gives a frustration because you're not being you. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you willing to claim, own, and be the masterpiece that you truly be? Which is so
Yeah.
abstract that people may like it, people may not like it, people can understand, people cannot understand. But you are a beauty of the masterpiece with your creation, because nobody knows how to create that. You only know how to create that. Are you willing to claim, own, acknowledge, and commit to that?
Yes.
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 Right?
Yes.
Put back, put off all 9 shots, boys and girls. Thank you. Anything else?
Thank you so much, Suruchi.
Thank you, Qatar. Anything else that is popping up? Anything that is unshaky? Anything, everything? And truth, how many people have actually closed their back doors? How many people are interested? How many people will think and do it tomorrow? Be honest to yourself.
Have closed
Yes,
the back
we've
door.
closed.
Have closed.
Closed.
Because when you acknowledge, you don't have a, it's like you don't have. And now since you're closed, whatever key is it, can you just throw it to the universe?
Yes.
But you can't find it.
Yeah.
Throw it.
I have a question, Suruchi.
Yeah.
Hi, Suruchi. I have a question. With you, I feel, or many of us feel, it is very easy to us. But after hearing all that things, or maybe after 2 or 4 months, it is why it is hard for us to follow our hearts.
Okay, when you think it's easy and whenever you find difficult, what you can do? Abhi hum kya kar rahe hain? We are just tapping into each other's energy, right? That's it.
Yeah.
But we are so used to having a mentor or a teacher holding a hand that we keep thinking कि अरे ये teacher नहीं है, पीछे देखो कोई देख रहा है क्या, कोई कर रहा है क्या? What if you can tap into the energy? What do I know here? Universe, can you show me the energy of what do I know here? Can you give me the energy of trusting my own self should look like? Okay. And if you feel, ask, अच्छा ठीक है, सुरुचि की energy से I feel strong. Can I, universe, can you tap Suruchi's energy to me? Okay. I'm energetically there. We are all energetic beings. We keep picking up people's energy. Yeah, ले लो, energy है.
Your energy is so high. Your energy is so high and so smooth for all these things. Yeah. But we found that we're so lucky to have
So your
find your energy.
जैसे आप मुझे बोल रहे हो, अगर मैं जैसी हूँ वैसे शो अप नहीं करूंगी तो वो एनर्जी स्मूथ आपके लिए नहीं होगी. वही जब आप अपनी लाइफ में शो अप करोगे जैसे आप हो, तो इतने सारे जो लोग हैं जिनको आपकी एनर्जी चाहिए वो ट्रांजिशन करने के लिए, उनको वो कैसे मिलेगा? तो जब आज आप कमिट करते हो अपनी लाइफ के लिए, तो आप भी उनके लिए वो एनर्जी हो जाते हो. पर अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे कि मेरी एनर्जी सुरुचि की एनर्जी से नहीं है, तो आप तो डुप्लीकेट, आप कॉपी कर रहे हो ना. आप हो, मैं हूँ. आप कुछ एरिया में इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी, मैं पटीचर हूँ. Right?
Yes, everyone is awesome in her energy.
हम सब में वो एनर्जी है. वही एक यूनिवर्स में कितने फ्लावर्स हैं? हर टाइप के फ्लावर्स हैं. लेकिन अगर सब बोलते हैं मैं रोज ही बन के बैठ जाऊं तो वैरायटी मिलती. और अगर खाने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, अगर हमको देर हल्का सब्जी खाना पड़ता है, रोटी खा लेते हैं हम खुश खुश, तो हमको वैरायटी की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. वैरायटी चाहिए लाइफ में, इसीलिए डिफरेंट वैरायटी एनर्जी हम सबकी चाहिए. और जहां पे भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, जस्ट आज किसकी एनर्जी मुझे कंट्रीब्यूट कर देगी ये हर्डल को क्रॉस करने के लिए, उसकी एनर्जी को बोलो प्लीज आजा मेरे साथ, एंड यू विल बी अमेज्ड वो एनर्जी आ जाएगी. इफ यू डोंट बिलीव, right now you can ask for anybody's energy that you desire and see you can sense that energy. And if you don't sense, I'll cut my nose.
It means awareness is less. No, why are you running out your nose?
अरे बोल रही हूँ, बोलने में क्या जा रहा है? कौन सा मैं अपना nose
Thank you for
just that's what I'm saying. हम क्या करते हैं, हम issues को बहुत significant बनाते हैं. जब हम significant बनाते हैं ना कोई चीज, हम जल्दी से उसको छोड़ते नहीं हैं. जब आप उसको ease और fun में देखते हो ना, तो you just change like this. So life is a game. Play, have fun with it. Significant. I know people take money for significance, but if you let go significance, you will have fun and you can have everything that you desire. So it's a choice. I don't care people take me seriously or not seriously, but I will demand to have in my life. And I know the moment I have that, people will run to ask, what recipe are you using to have that? So are you willing to have that as your life? And reality is your choice, not mine. I can support, I can contribute. Choosing and not choosing is your choice. Take a leap of faith. देखी जाएगी यार, इससे बुरा तो नहीं होगा. कूद जाओ, देख लेंगे यार क्या होगा. एक दो हाथ पैर टूटेंगे पर वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा.
और एक्सेस में वैसे भी जो भी क्लियर होता है मतलब बहुत सारे जन के लिए होता है 300 से लेके 3 लाख पीपल तक होता है.
क्लियर करना छोड़ो. ये हम यहीं पे अटक जाते हैं. दुनिया को क्लियर करने के चक्कर में ना खुद को क्लियर नहीं करते. दुनिया को क्लियर करना छोड़ दो. जिस दिन आप क्लियर होगे ना, दुनिया अपने आप हो जाएगी. नहीं होती तो
ऑटोमेटिकली सब कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा.
और अगर नहीं होती तो उनकी मर्जी यार.
हाँ, मैं अपना हैप्पीनेस देखती हूँ.
इसीलिए तो लाइफ में नहीं एंजॉय करते, क्योंकि देखते हैं यार आज ये नहीं हैप्पी हो रहा मेरे साथ, आज वो हैप्पी नहीं हो रहा. ये तो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, ये तो मेरा ब्रदर है, ये तो मेरी सिस्टर है, ये मेरा हस्बैंड है, ये मेरे बच्चे हैं. भाड़ में जाए.
सबकी अपनी लाइफ है, सबकी अपनी चॉइस है.
क्यों? जब मैं दुखी हूँ तो सब आते हैं क्या? सब बोलते हैं क्या दिन भर ड्रामा करके बैठी है, कर ले कुछ. इतना करती है हमारे दूसरों के लिए, खुद के लिए कर ले. ये सुनने को मिलता है. कोई अपना नहीं छोड़ता. सो अपने लिए चूज करो. ये जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि my purpose is to change people's life, my purpose is to this, my purpose is to give you choice. लेना नहीं लेना तुम्हारी मर्जी. If you change the purpose, you let go of the headache कि तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है दूसरों को चूज कराना. तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है कि भैया ऑप्शन A, B, C, D सब अवेलेबल है मेरे पास नहीं चाहिए तो मैं लिया और मैं चली. Are you willing to have that as your reality is the question.
Yes.
Then great. Then choose more happiness, more sex, more money, more life, everything more and more.
Yes. We need lots of more things in our life.
So here you go for everything that you require more, but डांटना नहीं.
Yes. Hip hip hooray.
Great. So how's your space, guys?
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
It's all expansive.
Yeah, feels very, very light. Thank you, Suruchi.
Can we say cheers
Thank
to
you.
all of us?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Hip hip hooray.
Hooray.
Hip hip hooray. Hip hooray.
Celebration for us because we closed our back doors and we are going to be us now. Us who we be.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Anything anybody would like to share, tell me. Otherwise, I am done with whatever I had to contribute.
I have a song here, Suruchi. It is related to sex. It just came to my mind.
राशि सेक्स कर ले जाके, बहुत सेक्स की इच्छा है, कर ले.
लॉकडाउन में Suruchi.
तो अगर कुछ नहीं मिले तो अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ.
Yeah, that's true.
Anything else? Sorry, I was just joking. If you want to share, please share. Anything anybody would like to share? Unmute, show your faces, beautiful faces. Please come. Show your beautiful faces and everything. And if you're okay, actually, मुझे याद है. Can I just take a picture of all of you?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes.
Wait, let me see. 1 second. Shape. Oh, yes. Because मैं हर टाइम भूल जाती हूँ. एक दूसरा चलेगा क्या? नहीं. अरे there was two. Okay, I don't know. Sorry, there was. अरे page 1, page 2 हो रहा था. Now I can't do any pages. It's okay. No problem.
Thank you, Suruchi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Don't hide. Don't hide. You're all so beautiful. Don't hide anywhere. Show up the way you are because that's your beauty. And don't let anybody, not even you, for a fraction of a second, take that power away from you. That is the commitment I would like all of you to make right now.
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
Thank you
Suruchi.
so much. Thank you.